Position. It's like a plank. So hands wider. Good. Good. Stay there. That's awesome. Now you start like, okay, man. See that? Okay, stay there. Now I'm gonna make you notice this with the camera guy. See how beautiful this arm is? See how gimpy this arm is? Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference? See how beautiful feelings, George. How much your arm's not you. See? Gimp. So bend it. Bend it. Yeah. Less gimpy. You see? I took away pressure from your shoulders. Bend with it. Go equal. No, not your ass. I keep saying. But you see, you saw the difference? Gimpy elbow, gimpy. Not gimpy.
Not gimpy.
Longer arm, shorter arm. Come on.
Today's word of the day, kids, gimpy.
Derek is gimpy.
Hey, easy. I have a reputation to correct.
Good, here we go. So you have to constantly have a tension there on your body. So bend both elbows, ass up in the air. Ass up in the air. Oh, I love that. That's perfection. Stay there and breathe. Don't frown. Just breathe. If it gets harder, you breathe harder. What? Seriously?
I believe you, George.
Okay. Let's do it again.
It's getting harder.
Your arms
Sometimes when it's harder, you collapse, George.
Your arms are looking good. I like the veins. I like the shaping.